안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean Banquet Noodles, 잔치국수. Before we start, I'd like to say thank you for my more than 500 subscribers all over the world. Thanks to you, I can try hard and keep going. I will do my best. 그리고 아직 부족한데 좋게 봐주신 한국 구독자 여러분 정말 고맙습니다. 한식을 알려줘서 고맙다는 댓글을 볼 때마다 정말 큰 힘이 됐고 그게 이제 저의 원동력이 될 수 있었던 것 같아요. 정말 열심히 하겠습니다. 고맙습니다. That's why I wear Korean traditional costume, which is called hanbok. We wear hanbok when we celebrate something, especially wedding ceremony and birthday. Isn't it pretty? I mean, not me, this costume. Korean banquet noodles, which I'm going to make today, has special meaning. Long noodles are the symbol of longevity, and this is traditional signature food item on special banquet. This is not spicy at all, so I hope all of you will enjoy this. Thank you again, and let's set the table together. First, I'm going to make the broth. In this packet, there are anchovy and kelp. This one is really helpful when you make Korean-style broth. Place this packet in cold water for 5 minutes and bring to boil. After 10 minutes, take this packet out and season with the soup soy sauce and salt. Keep this warm. After that, cut the zucchini and carrot into julienne slices. Heat the oil in a pan and stir-fry zucchini and carrot separately with a pinch of salt. Next, beat the egg well with a pinch of salt. Pan fry on a lightly greased skillet over low heat. After that, roll up the egg and cut into thin slices. In a pot, pour water and bring to boil. When it boils, add noodles. Stir them to keep the noodles from sticking together. When it boils over, then pour a half cup of cold water. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. It's gonna take about 4 minutes. Rinse with cold water and drain well. Place the noodles in a bowl and put zucchini, carrot, and egg on top of the noodles. And carefully pour the warm broth. Sprinkle with seaweed flake. Such a great! Soup is warm and savory and all ingredients are seasoned enough. This doesn't have any strong taste. It's very mild. So even if you are not familiar with Korean food, you will like this. Today I made Korean banquet noodles, 잔치국수. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.